So Alan, tell us, when did you get into cooking?
Today.
Interesting. And would you say pasta is your speciality?
I'll soon find out.
We interrupt this cooking show to bring you outdoor activity. How are you finding flying in Belgium versus flying in Ireland?
The same.
Oh. Do you know where you are, old man?
Just entering the roundabout.
He's having flashbacks of too many roundabouts. Squirrel is up there.
There's your beer.
Whose? It's not mine, is it?
Yes.
I was saying they can climb down trees, but they can't climb up them. I don't know how they discovered that. What's happened to it? Maybe he's checking his emails, is he?
Oh, will I check the email?
Oh yeah, check.
Oh, check your emails.
Have we heard anything?
No, there'll be nothing. Wait, you see, there'll be nothing.
6 minutes ago, Evan, your F1 Dutch 2021 tickets are confirmed.
What?
Come on, Ireland!
Are we playing?
Oh, Portugal like on hammers, yeah. Diogo Jota, Cristiano Ronaldo, all those boys. We've made a show.
8-1 and we'll have scored first.
We won't score.
This is the behind the scenes footage because Evan is filming currently right now and he said I'm not allowed to use his footage. So I'll just use mine. Evan, let's leave at 8 a.m. Also Evan, at 7:40 a.m. Are you excited?
Yes.
Why?
I don't know. It's more like, do you know when like dogs are just really excited when like someone opens the door?
For nothing.
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah.
Hey, in the lesson spring ticket, yeah?
We're at the F1 now, but the women's racing is on at the minute. We just watched practice 1 and then there's going to be qualifying for, is it F2 or F3? F3. And then there's going to be practice 2. The weather is fine. It started drizzling when we got into our stand and then it stopped, but it's like kind of cold because we're under a cover, but this is our view. Welcome to the House of Squirrels. day, nice table, some booklets of stuff to do. It's a piano, as Evan demonstrated. Then you come through here, downstairs bathroom, nice. And you come through again. This is the informal dining room, I'd say. So this is just like your kitchen table, you know, a few games and books in here. Then we go to the kitchen next. Excuse the noise, the dishwasher is on. We have all of our food, fridge, rammed full for 3 days. We also have a garage. Personally, bit murdery to me. Don't know what's in that chest. Bit suspicious. I'm going to be doing the washing in a while, so this will be full with clothes. This is the formal dining area, as you can see. Ample space for 8 people. The back garden. We did see squirrels up there yesterday. Because it's a squirrel house, in case I didn't tell you already. The next area, where these two are lounging. What's this area?
Lounge.
This is the mezzanine area. It's currently being used as a wardrobe. Then you have my room. I got my own room.
Didn't make your bed?
Seating area for me to sit. This is the 3 lads are staying in here. Evan has a nice carved sleigh bed, luxury. Now this, privé. Unsure as to what that means. Yet to find out. It's locked, so I believe there's someone that got kidnapped and they're in there. So I'm just gonna leave them. Don't wanna interrupt that. And the last room, the best room, the jacks. Storage. I think they put these on the wrong way because both these open like this and both these open like that. Like bath, shower in here, the best de resistance. We're just here waiting on our shuttle bus. We were in the car for about 2 hours, was it? Because the fields we parked in yesterday and the day before are too mucky. We had to go to other fields, parking those now. In the middle of nowhere. Waiting on a shuttle bus because it's too long to walk to the track.
There is Ben Ballender. He's ready to go. He's in the semis. He will have done a track inspection and
and I've had a shower. And as you have seen, there wasn't really a race. There was 4 laps. Technically 2 of them were in the race. So the results of the race were the same as the results of qualifying yesterday. But it's okay because we have another F1 next weekend and I'm going to be doing a video on that as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe and watch out for the next one where we will be going to the Zandvoort F1, which is in Holland. So see you then, bye. This is the old church.